In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Steam Client Webhelper from running in the background. The Steam Client Webhelper is the part of Steam that loads web content like the store, community pages, and the in-game overlay, and it can spin up several processes. If you're noticing extra CPU or memory use, these quick changes will help you shut it down when you don't need it. First, make sure Steam is actually closed. Clicking the X on the window only minimizes Steam to the background, which keeps Webhelper alive. Instead, go to your taskbar, find the Steam icon in the system tray, right-click it, and choose Exit. Give it a moment. This fully shuts down Steam and prevents new helper processes from spawning. If some Webhelper processes are still lingering, end them directly. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, look for multiple entries named Steam Client Webhelper. Right-click each one and select End Task. That will immediately halt them. This is safe to do, and if Steam is closed, they won't restart on their own. Note that this doesn't remove anything or affect your games. It simply closes those background helpers, and you can reopen Steam normally whenever you're ready. Next, adjust Steam settings so fewer helper processes are needed when you do run Steam. Launch Steam and open the menu at the top left, then select Settings. In the In-Game section, uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. The overlay relies on Webhelper, so turning it off reduces background activity. Keep in mind this also disables overlay features like screenshots and the Shift tab menu while you play. Now go to the Interface section. Turn off Enable Animated Avatars to stop extra web animations. Disable Smooth Scrolling in web views to keep pages simpler. Turn off GPU Accelerated Rendering in web views, and also disable Hardware Video Decoding. These options can make web content feel sleeker, but they also keep the helper busy. Switching them off lightens the load. After you've made these changes, restart Steam so everything takes effect. Use the Exit option again, wait a moment, and then start Steam back up. You should see fewer Webhelper processes and less background usage. If you still see a few helpers after the restart, that's normal when browsing the store or library, but the count should be noticeably lower than before. That's it. Thanks for watching.